you know, it's so nice to see people in Derby learning the Welsh.
Ydi.
Dysgu in Derby. I'm doing a bit of a rap. Diolch yn fawr. You're all doing fantastically well. Well done. Da iawn.
A ti'n gwybod beth, da ni wedi cael un cwestiwn hefyd, asking for our doethineb, our wisdom.
I am sure you will be able to help with that.
Mae Martin yn Belper yn cael dipyn o drafferth gyda'i ynganu, a dyma'r cwestiwn mae o'n ofyn I ni.
Dwi'n eisiau gwybod sut I ddweud i'r wyddor Cymraeg yn arbennig chwthorau fel LLRHNGTH.
Ooh, cwestiwn da.
Ydy, mae o'n gwestiwn da. Unwaith dych chi'n gwybod sut mae bob llythyren yn swnio, you can add the letters together and create the word.
And then you have the words, and then you have the structure of the sentence, and then you just build on it like a foundation.
Ti'n cofio we did them every three.
Every three, okay.
A-B-C.
A-B-C. H-D-Z. H-D-Z.
E-F.
E-F.
G-N-H.
G-N-H.
I-J-L.
I-J-L.
L-M.
L-M.
O-P-F.
O-P-F.
R-H-S.
R-S.
T-Th-I.
T-Th-I.
Ooh-E.
Ooh-E. Ooh-E. And when you do learn that, it does genuinely help.
Gofynodd Martin, he's having problems with 4 llythyren, 4 letters,
Okay, which
so
are
we'll
they?
just concentrate on those.
Come on.
Un ydi, iawn? Like, close your throat, cau fyma, Martin, iawn? Will you do that? Fel, yn Saesneg, long.
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 Long. Well, that makes sense.
It's the same sound ar y diwedd, yeah?
Why don't you just do that first?
Yeah, I know, it was more fun
You
going,
just wanted to see me go, thanks.
Reit, nesa,
Okay.
oedd Martin yn cael problem gyda...
Lots of people do, even Welsh people.
Okay, pockets of air yn fan hyn, iawn? Put your tongue on the top and go...
Like a cat.
Yeah.
Like about to pounce.
Yeah, ti'n iawn.
Yeah. That's how I remember things.
Llanelli.
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 Llanelli. Next.
Reit, nesa. Rh.
R. R.
Nice yn dydi? Rh.
R.
Think of it, iawn, as an r. R. Doesn't matter, dim ots if you can't roll your R's.
Just when people just
go r. Robert. Robert.
Roberts.
Fine.
Robert,
but then you put a little, like you're in a mood. Rh.
R.
Rh.
Yeah, I can't imagine you in a mood, so don't do that. That's not a good example. Okay? R.
Like, rhin.
R. Just make that noise. R.
Rh.
R.
Rh.
R.
Ymarfer. Gwelwch yn
We
dda?
look stupid probably, but it makes sense.
Mae'n iawn, mae'n iawn.
It does, mae'n iawn.
Okay, un arall. Oh, Martin, dim problem efo hwn.
Think.
Hawdd.
It's so simple. Hawdd.
Yndi, yn union. Diolch yn fawr, Martin,
Yeah.
am gysylltu efo
It
ni.
means a lot to us.
Ydi, mae
What is the
o.
website again?
www.s4ec.co.uk/hub.
Get in touch.
Please cysylltwch efo ni.
Yes.
Right te.
Nawr e. Naw te.
Dysgwr yr wythnos.
Oh.
Sy'n mynd i'n ysbrydoli ni.
I'm never going to be dysgwyr yr wythnos.
Wyt, mae dysgwr yr wythnos bob wythnos, Matt.
Really?
Yeah. Ond mae Jacqueline Wilmington wedi dysgu Cymraeg yn wirioneddol wych. Ac mae hi'n byw yn Aberystwyth ac yn gweithio fel milfeddyg.
Am I your dysgwyr of the week every week? It's amazing.
What's a milfeddyg, Matt? Let's
No
see.
idea.
Oh, see? Let me down. Milfeddyg is what Rhin wanted to be, a vet.
A vet.
Yeah,
Okay.
milfeddyg.